bobble-headed little girl. Taking a video of her. What you doing, sweet girl?
You can't suck on my boobies.
I was only guaranteed to go to my 30th now with all this shit happening.
Work with.
Quit trying to eat Auntie Scara's boobie. Quit trying to eat that boobie. That's not your boobie.
I've known most of the guys.
Bloop. Careful, B.
But I don't know.
His wife, I worked with his wife over at Street.
There's so many different departments.
Sweet girl.
Public Works.
Sweet girl.
Huh?
What is Lee up to?
He's moved out of where he was at up there in Dunedin.
No?
No.
Did he get bumped or did he
No,
leave?
he's been out of the county for a long time. Probably cleaning business.
Really sweet girl.
He was on his way to his job, coming down from, I believe, somewhere.
You're a goober.
The county, and
You're a goober girl.
A friend of his house, and I don't remember if it was on county. Well, it had to be county time, but I don't remember if it was a break or lunch. But either way, it was a suspected housing drug dealing, and he went through all kinds of shit, man. I mean, they had him in court, they had him everywhere, and he didn't.